Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching and hanging out with me today. So for today's video, we're going to talk all about vitamin C and if we should be using it around our eyes and how to properly use it around our eyes. This is a question that I get asked all the time, so I thought I would make a quick video and just kind of dive into that subject a little bit and just answer your questions. Vitamin C is so important. As you know, we should all be using it in our skincare routines every single day. It fights those free radicals that are attacking our skin and creating aging to our skin. It stimulates collagen and elasticity. It will brighten your skin, give your skin a glow, and it's just a very anti-aging ingredient that should be in our skincare routines every single day. Now, I know a lot of you use vitamin C's every single day like I do, so you know the benefits of it, but I get asked a lot of questions about how to properly use the vitamin C's around our eyes. So that's what we're going to talk about, because there's definitely some things you need to know in regards to what types of vitamin C you can use around your eyes, concentrations of vitamin C, and all of that stuff. So now let's talk about L-Ascorbic acid, because a lot of us use L-Ascorbic acid all over our face when we're doing our skincare routines. But L-Ascorbic acid in most of our face serums is going to be too potent for our delicate under eye area. Now, vitamin C is amazing for the under eyes. It's super beneficial. So like it's anti-aging for the face and the skin all over, it's amazing and anti-aging for the under eyes. Now think about it, because your under eyes are super delicate. They are prone to aging faster than any other part of our face. And free radicals are attacking your skin under your eyes every single day. So vitamin C is super beneficial to be using under our eyes, but you cannot use L-ascorbic acid, the same concentration that you use on your face, you cannot use it under your eyes. It can actually create more damage than good if you do so. You want to use a product that's made specifically for the under eyes. Now this is the Is Clinical, the CI Serum Advance. This is a 7.5% L-ascorbic acid. This is the exact concentration and formulation that is so beneficial for the under eyes. This is going to protect your skin from the free radicals and all the aging, rays, and damage. And it's also going to stimulate that collagen and elasticity. And this is going to super brighten up any darkness under your eyes. I have seen so many people swear by this, that it really helps to brighten up the darkness under their eyes. So it does all of that, but it's in the correct formulation, the correct concentration that can be safely used around the under eye area. Again, L-ascorbic acid, that is. It has to be a certain concentration. L-ascorbic acid, you don't want to use too high of a concentration under your eyes, for sure. Now, let's talk about other forms of vitamin C. The True C Serum is a THD ascorbate. Something like this can be used around your eyes in a much higher concentration. This is an 80% THD ascorbate vitamin C. This is what I use on my face all the time, as you guys know. This can be applied under the eyes safely without having to worry about it irritating or doing any damage to the under eye. The THD ascorbate found in this, the Globiotics, I use that vitamin C as well. That is some different forms of vitamin C as well. That can be used under the eye. So you just want to watch the form, the type of vitamin C that you are using. If you're using something like this on your face, you can dab this under your eyes. So it's all about what form of vitamin C you're using on your face. That's going to determine if you can use it around your eyes. The one that you really just have to make sure that you're just using the correct formulation is the L-ascorbic acid. The other forms of vitamin C are going to be more safe to use around your eyes in higher concentrations. So I do use this one around my eyes as well, but I will say that this is probably one of my favorite vitamin C's for the under eye. It is fabulous. So that's just kind of the little go-to quick video I wanted to make in regards to this, because like I said, I get asked that question all the time on which products, you know, you can use around your eyes with the vitamin C in it, which products you can't. And there's definitely, you know, you definitely want to watch out if you're using an L-ascorbic acid. It's great for your face, but you have to make sure it's in the proper formulation and concentration around your eyes. So I hope that cleared up some questions in regards to vitamin C and how to use it properly around your eyes, because like I said, it is a very beneficial ingredient that we can use around our eyes. We just have to do it properly, but you will definitely see results with a vitamin C serum just dabbed in and patted into your under eyes every single day. What I do personally is I will use a vitamin C and then I'll put my eye cream on top of it. So I'm getting the protection with the vitamin C, the collagen and elasticity and all of that, but then I'm putting my eye cream on top. So it's like the best of both worlds. So that's just what I do personally, but if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Open up the description box for more info, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.